Hi, this is my review for the TSQQST iPad Kids case. It's the red blue color. It looks like Spider-Man, so that's basically what it's going for. So I really like the red and blue, the colors of Spider-Man. So let me up close a little, zoom in a little bit so you can see. It has like the little webbing like from Spider-Man. Looks very nice. It's looks very kid. I don't want to say kid friendly, you know, like it's made for kids. So this is the front of it. So sorry for the reflection, but this is the blue case. It's very sturdy. So you can drop, it can be dropped and it won't break. At least for me, it hasn't broken. So I'm not gonna say it will never break, but it hasn't broken for me. So we just used it. I bought it a few weeks ago, so it's been pretty good. This is the stand right here. So you would open up the stand and then it could balance, you know, on a table or something. So there you can see it on this side. This is where you would charge it. I like that it's pretty hidden, like, you know, the charger is pretty like deep in there. So it won't get dirty, you know, hopefully it won't get dirty or anything like that. And then this is where you would upload the volume, you know, up and down, raise or lower the volume. And then here's where you would turn it on. You just press that button and then it would, you know, or hold it to turn it on. So I really like this case. I basically got it for my son. He uses my iPad a lot. So I wanted to get a nicer case. Honestly, the previous one he broke. So, but not by dropping it, he just broke this case and then it snapped off. You know, it wouldn't stand. So I wanted to get something more that he would enjoy since he uses it more than me. And yeah, it's really nice. It's very rubbery, I guess is the right word. I'm not sure, but it's not like a hard surface. It's very like a soft rubber. So it's nice. So it feels nice in your hand, you know? So I really enjoy the case and hope you'll check it out.